Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 8. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Honorable members, keeping in mind the global requirements and challenges of the 21st century, the government has announced the National Education Policy. For the first time, students have been given the freedom to opt for the subjects of their choice under the National Education Policy. Students have also been provided the option of changing their subjects or streams in the middle of a course. Under the Pradhan Mantri E-Vidya My government has developed the Diksha online portal as one nation, one digital platform for school education. 5. Sensitive towards safeguarding the interests of the students, my government has also successfully conducted the JEE and NEET examinations in order to prevent the loss of an academic year. My government believes that the journey of the most deprived sections towards social and economic development begins with access to quality education. More than 3 crore 20 lakh such students are benefiting from various scholarship schemes of the government. These include students belonging to the scheduled castes, backward classes, forest dwellers, and tribal community and minority communities. It is the endeavor of the government to ensure that maximum number of eligible and needy students are able to avail the benefit of the scholarships. Along with this, the central government's share in the funding of post-matric scholarship scheme for scheduled caste students is also being enhanced. Similarly, the network of Ekalava model residential schools is being expanded to cover every tribal dominated block to facilitate the education of tribal students. So far, more than 550 such schools have been sanctioned. Along with improvements in education, the emphasis of my government is also on simplifying and streamlining the recruitment process for jobs. The youth have benefited greatly from discontinuation of interviews for recruitment to Group C and Group D posts. By setting up the National Recruitment Agency, the government has freed the youth from the inconvenience of appearing for multiple examinations. Following the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, my government is prioritizing the development of all sectors and all sections of the society. To alleviate the hardships faced by Divangians, thousands of buildings, public transport, buses and railways have been made accessible. About 700 websites have also been made accessible for Divyanjans. Similarly, to provide better facilities and equal opportunities to transgenders, the Transgender Persons Protection of Rights Act has been implemented. A Development and Welfare Board development-oriented schemes are being implemented on priority by my government in 112 aspirational districts which have fallen behind in the race for development. Stop.